Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the UpOnly token. Ticker symbol is UPO. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, UpOnly is building the industry's first play-to-earn data directory. The platform is compiling comprehensive data on play-to-earn games and establishing itself as the go-to resource for blockchain gamers. The UpOnly data directory will be underpinned by a centralized database architecture and will utilize query solutions such as the Graph to retrieve real-time data from listed blockchain games. So in a nutshell, that's what this project is all about here. Now, this token just got listed on a very big central exchange. It says this token will be live on MEXC Global for trading August 31st at 11 o'clock UTC time. So if you're looking to get the UpOnly token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search UPO, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So you can find their Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here, at UpOnly Official on Twitter. And their Twitter here, it's doing very well. It has 110,800 Twitter followers. Very well established project. It looks like they are followed by BITRUE, as you can see there. BITRUE is another great central exchange, so maybe they have or are getting a listing on BITRUE very soon. So check out that BITRUE referral code down there as well. Now they do have the blue verified check mark on here, 449 tweets. You can see that they have a link to a couple different telegrams on there and their webpage, UpOnly.com. Now this token is on the Polygon blockchain. On their Polygon scan, it says they have almost 7,000 holders so far, 6,981 holders, 18 decimal places, a total supply of 160 million UPO tokens. So besides their socials there, if you go to their webpage, you could also find a full 11-page white paper that's going to have all the information on there. So it says, blockchain-based gaming is entering a golden era of development. The emergence of play-to-earn gaming has given lucrative earning opportunities to people worldwide. The number of gamers participating in play-to-earn gaming has been exponentially growing, with spectatorship in the field also being recorded tremendous growth. Despite its rising prominence in the world of online gaming, both blockchain-based gaming and play-to-earn gaming have few data resources that inform gamers and spectators of the state of the industry. Current data providers offer only rudimentary data, such as users and volume. Moreover, despite the lucrative earning opportunities in play-to-earn, spectators have no opportunity to leverage their activity into earning potential. In the wider online gaming industry, spectators can earn by participating in giveaways, competitions, and other means of deriving value. Play-to-earn spectators currently lack such opportunities. UpOnly addresses these key gaps in the play-to-earn market by providing comprehensive data to play-to-earn markets and decentralized infrastructure that allows spectators to leverage their activity and insights into real-world value. And so, yeah, they have market research on here talking about the video game industry valued over $300 billion, over 2.7 billion people playing games, and then et cetera, et cetera. So it goes over the whole online gaming industry starting all the way back from 1980, talking about, you know, Blizzard, Sony, NetEase, Tencent, all these different companies showing their stock values, all that type of stuff. So they've done a lot of research here talking about Counter-Strike, Dota 2, PUBG, all these things here. So then there's also a huge streaming audience out there. A lot of people watch esports. A lot of people watch gaming on YouTube and other outlets like Twitch, Facebook gaming, etc. And now we have blockchain and play-to-earn gaming. So basically when you have blockchain gaming, you have digital ownership over your characters, your skins, your in-game items, your land, all these things. Yeah, so you can own them in the form of NFTs, and they're going to be eventually brought into, you know, the metaverse, things like that. So yeah, their huge comprehensive white paper goes over all of this information in here. So UpOnly is positioning itself to be the premier data and analytics platform for the rapidly growing play-to-earn industry. The play-to-earn industry is a stage of rapid growth with a vast proliferation of gaming options. However, play-to-earn gamers and spectators have no reliable source of data and analytics that show them to derive insights and leverage their activities in the gaming world. So that's what they're all about here. So they have the UpOnly.com data directory. Basically data relating to blockchain-based gaming, and the data which is provided is severely limited. So even as players on things such as DAppRadar.com only present data related to users and trading volume. So they're going to address that issue and have a lot more data on this web page here. And they're talking about, you know, how similarly there's CoinGecko, there's CoinMarketCap. This channel right here, this channel that you are watching right now, this is a data directory. Basically, this is all crypto tokens that are new, that come out, that are popular, all these different types of tokens. And basically, I just go over the information on the tokens and then present it to you guys. And that is basically about it. So this token is on the Polygon blockchain. It just got listed on a very big central exchange August 31st, 11 o'clock UTC time. This token will be available on MEXC Global. Now, make sure you guys hit like, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. Leave a comment down there since I am not a financial advisor. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.